Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make cream cheese raisin roll, one of my favorite from the French restaurant. But I'm not going to do the pastry dough. I'm going to do a simpler step today. So I'm working with 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of yeast, and I'm going to pour that into my flour and mix it. And I'm using instant yeast. Then I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to give that another mix. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So right now I'm going to pour my warm milk inside and give it a good mix. And I'm working with 1.5 cup of milk. Make sure your milk is warm and not hot. And I have some extra flour over there in case I need it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer my mixture onto the cutting board. And the oil will help to tenderize the dough. So I'm going to knead this right now. Okay, let me add some flour. You can enjoy this with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, you name it. But today I'm going to use some raisins on one side and some chocolate chip on the other side. And you can use chocolate by itself or raisins. I'm just going to do half of each. So I'm going to put my dough so it can rest for an hour. And I'm going to cover it. So the next step is where I'm going to prepare the cream cheese for the filling. And I'm using 1/8 ounce cream cheese, and make sure it is room temperature. So I'm using 6 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm going to mix it well. This is going to be so good. So the mixture is ready, and I'm going to put it aside. So it has been an hour. My dough was resting. So I'm going to transfer it onto my cutting board. I'm going to knead it some more. Just a little bit more. So I'm going to roll this with my rolling pin into a rectangle shape. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to spread the cream cheese on top. So now I have finished put on my cream cheese. I'm going to add my raisins. You sprinkle the raisins. Okay, put on some chocolate chip on the other side for the chocolate lovers. going to roll the dough up from the longer side. Remember, when you are kneading the dough, don't knead it too stiff. I'm just going to pinch the edges. And you can use warm water if you don't want to use the milk. Okay, let's give that a roll. Good. So I'm going to cut these, and you are not going to fold, no edges on this one. So I'm going to cut. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover them and let them rest for 15 minutes with my cling wrap. And you can sprinkle some raisins and some chocolate chip on top if you want. So 15 minutes is up, so we are going to give them an egg wash. And I use 1 egg yolk and 2 teaspoons of milk. So we're going to do it all around, on top. And you can use 2 egg yolk if you run out of egg while glazing them. So I had to do another egg yolk because I forgot that I'm doing a bigger portion today. Okay, so let's put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So the rolls are finished, and I left them for 30 minutes to cook, and here they are, nice and golden brown. So after they cool, I will break one. Okay guys, let's break one of the raisin roll. Wow, look at that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Very delicious. Very delicious. Thank you for watching.